Hey everybody, my name is Nicole Virant and I'll be your online instructor. I've been teaching with the college now for 3 years. Don't mind my dogs. I've been teaching with the college for 3 years. I'm also a corporate trainer. All that means is I go out to companies and I'll work with them one-on-one to do training skills for Excel, Word, Outlook, you name it. I've probably done something along those lines. I've taught this class a lot and I think it's a really exceptional class to take. Number one, because no matter if you're directly going to use this tomorrow or within your jobs, you have to be computer literate. No matter what job you're working in, whether you're in electrical, nursing, business, it does not matter. You need to know how to use Excel. Excel is very, very important from a business standpoint for budgeting, projecting, working with data or numbers or anything like that. The other cool thing is through this class, you're going to learn some really nice tips and ways that you can use it to be smarter about how to use it and not spend a lot of time typing more things than you need to or figuring out more things, because Excel will help you do that. I've been teaching in higher ed now for about 9 years, and so I've been teaching primarily at career colleges. I am very laid back, very much enjoy working with students. So if you run into any problems in this course, be sure to reach out to me right away. Email is probably the fastest way to get a hold of me. Certainly you can text as well. And then we'll have an online discussion. I think we're going to use the Slack forum, which is going to be a little bit new to some of us. But that'll really just be for continued conversations on if you're getting stuck or something isn't making sense. I'll also be making videos every single week so we can kind of go through some of the steps together and then also practice some of that. Because it's one thing to read it in the book, but it's another thing to actually do and practice some of those things as well. Welcome to the class, and I'm really excited to have you.